guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well and safe at home. So this is officially the sweater weather in Delhi. Delhi में almost ठंड आ ही गई है and मैंने काफ़ी सारी shopping करी है for winter pieces from online and offline stores. So if you want to know all these winter pieces, then keep on watching. First store from which I have shopped has to be my favorite one, which is from Zara. So I have shopped few winter pieces from Zara. I will show you all one by one. Thing that I got from Zara is a ribbed bodysuit in brown color. This is how it looks. This is not actually a woolen piece, but definitely you can use this for layering purpose. And I got this bodysuit for 990 rupees. To match this bodysuit, I got a trouser in same material and color. This is again a ribbed trouser in brown color. And I will wear both of this as a quad set. The price of this trouser is 1590. Woolen piece from Zara is this grey sweater, and this is a very light knitted sweater, and again this can be used for layering. I got this sweater for 990 rupees. Convenience, I will put the prices and size of all the pieces here on the screen and also in the description box. Now moving on to the second store which I have visited offline, and that is a store in Delhi called as Stanmax. I will put the name here, and from there I just picked one piece which is from this company called Global Republic. This is lightly knit cardigan, and you can also like button up. This cardigan was for rupees 1499. Coming on to the third store which I have also visited offline. This is Westside store. I will put the name here. So from Westside I have picked up two sweaters. First one is this one. This is a sweater in lilac color, and this has a cutout in the front and also at the back. I got this sweater for 1299 rupees, and this is a very stylish piece. Also the quality of wool is very good. This is very soft. I will wear it and show you how this design looks on me. Moving on to the second piece from Westside, which is also a sweater in this brown color. This has like this kind of detailing in the front and at the back. Again, this sweater is for 1299 rupees. The quality is top notch. Wool is very soft. As you know, brown is the color of this season, so again in brown color. Wear this sweater as it is, or you can use this for layering pieces. On to the last store from where I have purchased online, and that is Myntra. So I have like quite a lot of parcel from Myntra. Now starting on with the Myntra haul. Product from Myntra is from H&M, and I got this chunky knit sweater from H&M. This has pearls detailing all over it, and I got this sweater in size small for 1500 rupees, and again the quality of this sweater is top notch. The wool is warm, cozy and soft. The second piece from Myntra is a black denim jacket, and it has like this ribbed detailing on it in front and also at the back. I got this denim jacket from this brand called Marston Harbour, and I got this jacket for 1200 rupees. Again, a very versatile piece. You can definitely wear this kind of jackets in the transition weather. Last two pieces from Myntra are not actually a winter material, but I got these just to layer up under my jackets. Product is a tank top from Mango, and this is how it looks. This is a one shoulder tank top in ribbed material and brown color, and this is a very versatile piece that can be used for layering under your jackets. And I got this in size medium for 803 rupees. Product from this haul is also a tank top from Urbanic in this beautiful red color. This also has like this ribbed material and has tie up on the shoulders. I got this in size medium for 620 rupees, and this can again be used for layering, or you can wear this as it is in summers. Now it's a wrap up time. I have shown you all the products that I have shopped lately for winters. If you want to see more of such content, then do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and like this video. Thank you for watching.